Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today we're going to make these delicious instant Sooji toasts. They're very tasty and very quick to make and makes for a perfect evening snack or tiffin. So let's get started and check it out. So first let's make the mixture for the Sooji toast. To a bowl add quarter cup of Sooji, that is Semolina. Next add half cup of fresh curd or yogurt. To this I'll be adding a few vegetables, starting with one medium-sized onion finely chopped, one small tomato de-seeded and finely chopped, half capsicum finely chopped. To add a little bit of spice, I'm adding 2 green chilies finely chopped. Now if you don't want green chilies, you don't have to add them. Also adding a few freshly chopped coriander leaves. So I'm just seasoning this with a teaspoon of salt. Once we've added all the ingredients for the mixture, mix everything well till it's all well combined. This is a very simple and easy to make toast. The Sooji has to soften up and absorb all the flavors. So you can see I've mixed everything well. We need to let this sit for about 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes you can see the Sooji is soaked up beautifully. It's become nice and soft. Let's start making the Sooji toast. Most of us feel a bit hungry in the evening. So when you guys are very hungry, what do you crave for? Or what is that one go-to snack or tiffin? Let me know in the comment section below. Take a slice of bread. You can take white bread or brown bread. Place a tablespoonful of the mixture and gently spread it across the slice. Make sure it's nice and even on all sides. Like I said, chilies are optional. So if you don't want to add chilies, you can make these toasts without the chilies. Prepare all the slices in this manner. Keep this aside. Heat a pan or a tawa. To this I'm adding a little bit of ghee. Now you can use ghee, butter or oil, but I would recommend ghee because it's really tasty. Keeping the flame on medium, gently place the prepared bread slice onto the tawa. Just dab a little bit of ghee on top and spread it evenly because we're going to be toasting on both sides. You need that lovely crunchy toast. So maintain the flame on medium, you don't want to keep it on high. We need to toast them on medium flame because you need to cook it through. If you keep it on high, it can get burnt. Gently press the bread on all sides. Cook this for about 5 minutes on medium to low flame. Now I'm gently going to flip the slice to the other side. Wow, just look at that. The Sooji mixture is cooked. It's got that beautiful golden brown top. Just going to cook it for another 2 minutes just to make sure it's cooked in the center. Gently press it down. Well, our delicious Sooji toasts are ready. I'm just going to cut them diagonally and you can enjoy them nice and hot as soon as you make them. Look at that beautiful toast. The Sooji mix just cooked through and it's just perfect. These toasts are quite filling and you can enjoy them whenever you're hungry. It's a very quick and instant toast that you can make anytime. Well, while making these toasts, I started feeling a bit hungry. Well, I'm not sure if it's hunger or temptation. It's time to taste the toast. Wow, something so simple can be that tasty. Well, you don't want to miss this, guys. Go and make this as soon as possible and enjoy. So you can see they're so easy to make and they're super tasty. You can enjoy them as is, but they're nice and hot or with some nice ketchup or mayo by the side. So do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.